Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will show you a quick 3-step guide on how to create your own ebook guide using GPT and Bing Chat. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your title. To kickstart your ebook guide creation, ask GPT to give you 10 good titles for your guidebook. Let the AI assist you in brainstorming unique and captivating titles that will attract readers to your guide. Step 2. Generate the ebook guide. Once you have decided on the title, it's time to create the ebook guide itself. Use Bing Chat, an excellent tool for content creation, to generate the guide chapter by chapter. With its help, you can swiftly produce high-quality content for your guide in just minutes. For example, imagine creating an ebook titled, Top 10 AI Tools for YouTube Content. With Bing Chat's assistance, you can generate each chapter, uncovering the invaluable AI tools that will elevate your YouTube content creation. Step 3. Design the book cover. Now that you have your ebook guide content ready, it's time to give it an eye-catching cover. Head over to canva.com, a fantastic design platform, and explore their specific section for ebook covers and documents. Choose from a variety of themes and edit the cover to match your desired design and style. Once you're satisfied with the cover, it's time for the final step. Publish the book and download. Publish your completed ebook guide and make it available for download. This step ensures that your readers can access and benefit from your valuable content. Provide the option to download the ebook guide to their PCs or devices for easy access anytime, anywhere. And there you have it. Creating an ebook guide is as easy as that, utilizing the power of ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Thank you for watching this video and exploring the world of ebook creation with ChatGPT and Bing Chat. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to discover more exciting content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join our community. Stay updated with the latest tips, tricks, and creative ideas for content creation. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy creating, and until next time, take care.